I'm going to show you how to draw a truck real easy, okay? We're going to start off with a rectangle, and in that rectangle, we're going to put some squares, and that's going to be the headlights. And then we're going to go off that corner, and we're going to go all the way back like that. And then we're going to go off of this corner over here, and we're going to go back about right there. Because we got to go over and up and back down. And there's a windshield. And then we're going to go over again and going to go back down again. And there's the driver's side windshield. And then we're going to go up and back and down. And there's the roof. And then we're going to go make the A-pillar. There's a mirror over there and a mirror over there. And we got to give it some windshield wipers. So last time I didn't, somebody said that I forgot them. We're going to make it a long bed this time because last time someone said my bed wasn't long enough. So we're going to make sure that we got a good bed on this thing. And let's fix that up a little bit. That was a little bit wonky right there, don't you think? That's a little bit wonky looking. Well, now it looks even more wonky. Alright. And now we got to do a bumper. And we're going to put some lines through that grill. Like that. Now we gotta draw the wheel wells. And now we gotta separate the cab from the bed. And we'll go ahead and finish off that door like that. We're just gonna make some lines go back like that. Then we're gonna give it a door handle, and let's put a wheel here. I reckon that's good enough. And we gotta put a wheel back here. There you go. There's your pickup truck. Well, wait, we gotta give it a tail light. And there you go, there's your truck. Thanks for watching.